Hello, I'd like to introduce you to the Winsor & Newton brush marker range. With 72 colours, from bold and vibrant to subtle pastels and neutrals. There are 4 sets of 6 markers: rich tones, mid-tones, pastels and skin tones. And there are 2 sets of 12 markers available in mixed tones plus a blender. Using the brush marker blender, you'll find the alcohol-based translucent ink great to work with. Each brush marker has a precise and flexible brush-style nib, as well as a broad chisel nib. Easy to achieve artistic and streak-free coverage. We have hundreds of different Winsor & Newton markers to choose from. Why not try our broader range of Winsor & Newton markers such as Pro, Metallic, Neon or Watercolour markers to make your creations go further. If you want to know more about Winsor & Newton's brush marker range, simply ask in store or visit our website. Thank you for watching.